Heidi Caswell, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And we've been talking about themes, and I did show you one of my favorite themes, which is Weaver. Weaver has a lot of different tabs and things and options and many things you can do. And for some people, when they just get started, you'd like something a little more simple. And for this, I suggest going ahead and working with 2011. Now, 2011 comes with most of the newer WordPress installations. It's probably your default theme that is showing up. It is right here. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to 2111 so I can show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and click the Activate button. Okay, we now have it activated. Here's how the website was looking, and then I'll show you the 2011 before I do anything with it. Now, I had done one thing. I had put my header in there, just to, they let you put any header there. It also has different headers that will rotate in and out. Let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. Okay, we're here in the back, and as you can see, just like the Weaver, it has the header in the background, and you can add that and change it. We'll go ahead and work on the header first. Okay, and here it has a different size of header that works well for it. 1000 by 288. I'm not going to resize this because I'm not using this particular theme, so I just went ahead and cut it off here to make it fit with the crop feature. But if you make it just that exact size, it will come up like you want. You can see that there are several different headers here. You can pick just one of them. You can upload one, or you can have random. If you have random, then you see these pictures that are here, these default images. Each time you open a page, a different one of those will be showing up there along the top. You also can remove the header image by clicking here, and there'll be no header image at all. You click that. Okay, so you can see there's no header image there at all. It's not necessary that you have to have a header image. You can have it plain. It puts your content up closer to the top. So, there's pros and cons on that, and it's just whichever you're wanting to do. Maybe you want to have a header later and you're don't know what you want to use for it yet. You can just simply have just the words here and add something later. Switch it back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click back so that the header is showing. And we're going to have the display text not showing. You can actually change the color of your text right here. Right now it's got black right there on the main part of the text, but you can change it to a different color, and that's where you put the color in. The colors have different color numbers. You can actually go in, select the color here, and it will help you pick one that way just by clicking on it. You don't have to know the colors to find them. You just put this over here where you want it to go, and it'll come up to you got the new color coming up, and it can go back. We're just going to go ahead and keep it at the default colors. The 000 is black, but actually we're going to even not display the text because I have the words on the graphic there, and then hit Save Changes. Okay, here it is without the words at the top, but you have the header here. If I was using this, I'd make the header actually match. Now we have this gray stuff on the side, which isn't necessarily, it is kind of there, and I sometimes like something more than gray. This is changed in the background, so we're going to click background and try that out. Okay, here you could add an image for your background and have a background image, or you can add a color. Let me show you the color first. I like to pick my colors this way. I can look at my header, and I have GIMP here, and this little tool here helps me pick a color. So if I click on it and see it changes, then if I click on that, I can see the color, copy it. I'm going to save changes here. Okay, now it's back. I have the background here. I like this better than the gray. It matches everything that we have here going along. Anyway, that's how you change the background color. And I'll come back and show you how to make a image. Have an image on the background.